Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Usually they are on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Orientica. They have been around 10 years or so. They are a branch or subsidiary of Al Haramain, the House of Al Haramain from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for a long time, 50 years or so. And Orientica, in their lineup, they have two tiers of fragrances. One is quite pricey. When I say pricey, they're not overly priced. Okay, so around 80 to 100 pounds. This is the luxury line. Okay, so the luxury line is around 80 to 100 pounds, which is again, for what you pay and what you get, they are fantastic. I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before. So I've been so impressed with them that I went towards their cheaper lineup to see how they go. And I'm pleased to say so far they've been very good, especially for a price. If you go to their website right now in United Kingdom, they're having a half price sale, and you can buy this one for example under £10. Yes, they usually sell this for £15, but right now they have a half price sale for £7.50. So when I saw that, I had to grab it. I bought one. The last one I unboxed and reviewed was a black and a red coloring, and that one called Despacito, and that one was so good and was so impressive, especially for a price. Okay guys, so this is what you have to always remember: for a price I had to go and get more. So this is from the same lineup as the Despacito, and this one is called Tranquillo. Tranquillo probably means tranquil or peaceful, something like that in Spanish. For some reason this lineup is all name of the Spanish things. Last one, it was Despacito, which is slowly or something like that, and this one is Tranquilito, which probably means peaceful or something like that. So this is for Homme 100 ml Eau de Perfume, and as I said, right now they have a sale for under £10. So before I do unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, if you find it valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So beautiful yellow color. Well, with a color like this, we expecting something fresh. Sorry about the noise. So again, simple box, but it does job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. In terms of, again, for under £10, these presentations are very good. Look at this bottle. The bottle is same as Despacito, but it's obviously a different color. This is yellow all over, and look at this. It's a heavy bottle, it's glass, and the cap is heavy too. I'm not sure what is this design. It looks like something like a car key design, or maybe I don't know, something like that. Anyway, so modern atomizer, here we go. Very good atomizer. It's very good distribution. Here we go. So how is this one? So this is Tranquil from the House of Orientica. By the way, this lineup is called Rich and Ritz for some reason. I think Rich and Ritz own Orientica or something like that, I'm not sure. Anyway, so here we go. No, that is good, brother. Okay, so this is another Creed Aventus wannabe. Obviously fresh. That citrus opening, fruity, and it's got backbone of that birchy and also vanillas, a little bit of patchouli, a little bit of floral in here. But it's not 100%. It's like, okay, we're trying to make something something similar, but we're not going to copy it. We're going to give our own signature on it. So yes, it reminds me of Creed Aventis, but not copycat. It's not 100%. It's not exact. It's just in that direction, but with its own signature. Yeah, it's got a little bit of greenness to it. It's like a herbal tinge to it. So imagine for this is for first impression, first sniff. Imagine Creed Aventis there opening, but there's a little bit extra in here, and that extra is a tinge or a hint of herbal or green or grassy bits. Yeah, it's a bit grassy, it's a bit green. Wow, this is beautiful. So the coloring, to some extent, maybe they went for sunshine. So it is reminding me of sunshine. It's a happy moment, summer, beach, and things like that, because it's very, very uplifting. It's very inviting. It's fresh right now. Yeah, it's got a floral, and the floral is again similar to Creed Aventis, but it's a little bit more depth to it. So imagine in Creed Aventis we have rose and jasmine. Here it's like they added a little bit more. So I'm feeling something floral, but it's a little bit leafy floral. So I'm not sure what that is, but it's like a leafy floral, a bit green floral as well. But giving it a tinge of soapiness as well. But so far so good. Wow, what a smell. 2 thumbs up. Definitely up my alley. Definitely very, very good, especially for a price under £10. Again, if this one performs same as the last one, which went around 6 to 8 hours, then we have a banger again. This line is I'm telling you, to me it's no-brainer, but to you, you have to do research, you have to try it. I never recommend blind buy for obvious reasons, but for now, beautiful. The citruses are huge here. So I'm smelling bergamot, I'm smelling lemon, and also I'm smelling something like orangey. So it's like an orange feel to it, it's like an orange peel to it. So as I said, they didn't go 100% Creed Aventis. They said, okay, Creed Aventis is our inspiration because it's, it's very inviting, it's very happy, it's very easygoing, it's a crowd pleaser, it's a people's pleaser. So let's go make something like that, but let's put something on there to make it our own, which I like, because the last one was similar. It was similar to Dior Sauvage-ish, the Despacito. It was devious, a hint of Dior Sauvage, a hint of Creed Aventis, and a hint of Bleu de Chanel or something like that. So they didn't go again for 100%, but they was in that ballpark. And here we have the same genre, same story, that they are inspired by Creed Aventis, but they making their own signature to it, which is a little bit of greenness, a little bit of depth to it, and also there are other player in the mid which are green florals. Okay, so instead of just being the usual rose and jasmine, here is extra layer of floral added to it. Oh, mamma mia, that is beautiful. Mamma mia, that is exquisite. So I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, the performance, and things like that. But for now, for the first impression, first sniff, again, this is beautiful, especially for a price. You cannot beat this. So the last one, Despacito, for a price you couldn't beat it. This one, for a price you can't beat it. So they are absolutely value for money. They are very, very good, and I highly recommend them. Obviously you need to wait for the performance, but I'm expecting the performance to be similar to the last one, okay? Because you can tell the composition and also the amount of oil they put in here is quite good. It's very, very good for the price. Okay, usually with perfumes or fragrances under £10, what they lack in majority of them is performance, and the reason is because they put less oil in them. You know, they just go with the minimum amount of oil that they can get away with, because obviously for a cost cutting reason. But here it's like they didn't care. So listen, put the best in here and I don't care how much it will cost us. And I'm telling you, for under £10, even for the bottle and the box you can't get, let alone the oil they use in here. Very, very good. Highly, highly recommended. I'm absolutely loving it. Okay guys, so next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity and things like that. But for now, yes, 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 beautiful. Okay, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are ultra beast mode, very unique, very artistic, amazing value for money, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the description as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and see you later. Bye, bye, bye.